Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play on Chess.com. First, you will need to create a free account, which takes less than 1 minute. You can sign up using your email address or a social media account. Once logged in, take a moment to explore the homepage. It offers a wide array of game modes, puzzles, and learning resources. Don't forget to personalize your profile and select your favorite chessboard and pieces for a better experience. Now, let's get you into your first game. Click on the play button, usually found prominently on the main menu. You can then choose your preferred time control, for example, 10 minutes for each player. This ensures a balanced game length. Before starting, refresh your memory on basic chess moves, such as how pawns move forward 1 or 2 squares, or how knights jump in an L shape. The system will quickly match you with an opponent of similar skill. Chess.com offers excellent tools to sharpen your skills. Head over to the puzzles section, where you can solve thousands of tactical problems designed to improve your pattern recognition. After each game, use the analysis board to review your moves and understand where you made mistakes or missed opportunities. Additionally, explore the extensive library of lessons and articles covering everything from opening theory to endgame techniques, helping you grow as a player. Beyond playing, Chess.com fosters a vibrant community. You can join various clubs and forums to connect with players who share your interests or skill level. For those seeking a competitive edge, participate in daily, rapid, or blitz tournaments. Don't forget to check out advanced features like Chess TV, offering live streams and commentary, or explore coaching options to receive personalized guidance. There's always something new to discover and enjoy on the platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.